Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video I am going to talk about string terminator. String terminator is something that happens behind the scene in C programming language. Now let's see what it is. For example, I'm typing my name, Tiliban Nagarasa, and here you can see how many characters we have. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and this space also counts. That's 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. So here we have 17 characters, but there's actually 18 characters. That is, there's a \0 that we don't see. So that's why here we have to know that the total characters are 18. This is important to know because whenever we create an array, we have to input the memory bytes of that. So we have to know how many characters we need, like how many space we need to input that character array. Okay, now let's look at an example of character array. Okay, here I'm going to print, let's say I want to print my name. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create an array. Since our data type, like array is basically some similar data types. In our case, we have characters, so that's why I create character array. And since we have to give a name, since I'm going to print my name, I'm going to name it as name. And then you create an array like this. And here you have to put how many number of bits it's going to take, the memory, how many number of bits we need. We already seen we need 18. Now let's see what happens if it's more or less. Okay, now let's see 18. What happens if it's 18? And then I'm going to print my name, so I put equal, and then in the quote mark I put my name, Tiliban Nagarasa, and then a semicolon, and then printf statement. And in this printf statement I'm going to type my name is %s, that's for string, and then \n for the new line, and then we are going to print a name, so we have to put comma name, \n, and our character name is name, so we put a name here, and then semicolon. Now let's execute this one and see what happens. And here you can see it says my name is Tiliban Nagarasa. Now let's see what happens if I reduce 1. Here you can see, right, some weird thing happens when you reduce 1. Some weird thing happen. Let's say let's see what happens if I put 14. So here you can see you can only see up to 13, right, because the 14th one is this \0, that is string terminator. So this is how it works. So whenever, like when you put 18, it works perfectly. Now let's see what happens if we put more, 19. No problem. The more, like if it's more, no problem. If it's less, we have a problem. Okay, and that's all about the string terminator. We have to know there's a hidden \0 behind every character. And that's all in this tutorial. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.